So hi everyone, I am Hannah Rosemary Sasan, and today in this video I am going to discuss what is a multi-party system and what are the types of a multi-party system. Multi-party system. So a multi-party system is a popular support is divided among several parties so that the largest party must form a coalition with one or more other parties to form a government. In this political party system, multiple parties are given a chance to gain control over the government. Either they are separately or in a coalition. Unlike in the case of the United States, wherein there are two political parties who are competing in power. In a multiple political party system, there are at least three parties that are competing for the power or setting in the government. There are two types of a multi-party system: a multi-party dominant system and a multi-party loose system. So I will be discussing what is a multi-party dominant system, and the other reporter will discuss what is a multi-party loose system. A multi-party dominant system, there are three or more parties, but one particular party receives at least 40% of the vote. In this political system, there are categories of political parties who successively won the election. So meaning to say, bisan og daghan kayo ga-exist ana nga country nga mga political parties, sila lang ang gapuli-puli sa government. So advocates in this political party system argues that it allows to express the many interests of a complex society wherein they have different views regarding of their political culture, their socioeconomic factors like religion, language, and ethnicity. Many countries have been using a multi-political party system. It includes Italy, Austria, Germany, Spain, and Israel. But these countries are criticized of being unstable. However, there are two countries that are using this political party system and they are stable, which is Switzerland and Netherlands. As you can see here, a multi-party system, examples niya nga countries are Greece, Germany, and Netherlands. Two-party system naman, example ana is the US. And one-party system, we all know that China only has a one-party system, which is the CCP or the Chinese Communist Party. So in a dominant party system, naa diha si Canada and Japan. So today, we will be discussing what is the Canadian political party, how it was labeled as dominant party system. Canadian political party. After the Confederation, Canada had two-party system, which is the Liberal and Conservatives. So, sa Confederation, it is a process of federal union in which the British North American colonies of North Dakota, New Brunswick, and the province of Canada joined together to form the Dominion of Canada. But in 1921, Canada, two political party system have been challenged with one political parties that exist or that rise, which is the Progressive Party. The challenge of the two political party system of Canada continues in 1950s when there are five political parties join the government. But in the 1960s, only Conservative, Liberal, and the New Democratic Party of Canada settled in the power. Canadian political party system evolved into three political parties competing for power in the government. Smaller political party continues to exist, but these three political parties are dominating in the government. As of 2015, there are 23 political parties that are registered in the Canadian political party. Despite from the fact that there are 23 political parties that exist in Canada, there are two political parties who are mainly dominating the government. So kani si political parties like conservative and liberal, kanila gid sila ang puli-puli sa as prime minister, or sila lang yun ang dominating political party og sila lang ang opposition. Bisan og daghan na kaayo nga political party ang ga-exist diri sa Canada. There were only five major political parties, namely Liberal Party, the Conservative Party of Canada, the New Democrat Party or the NDP, the Bloc Québécois, and the Green Party of Canada. As of the moment, ang political party nga ga-dominate sa Canada karon is the Liberal Party kay gikan sa laha ang Prime Minister. Tungod kay sila ang pinakadaghan seats nga nakuha sa House of Commons. So, diri sa House of Commons sila ang go-vote for the person nga ilang ibutang as Prime Minister. So, kay daghan man ang naa sa liberal, so gikan sa liberal ang Prime Minister. In accordance with the Constitution of Canada, there are 295 minimum seats that should be taken in the Parliament or in the House of Commons. However, due to the rapid rise of population, since ang kaning diri magod sa Canada ang ilang pag-elect or pag-vote sa seats kay in accordance to the proportion of the population. Since sidagan man ang population, so maotong there are additional seats allocated with the Parliament. So kani in accordance pud ni sa bag-o na pud nila na act, which is the Fair Representative Bill or the Bill C-20 of the Canadian Parliament, that allows the 335 seats for those kaning gikan sa kuan sa ilahang district or sa ilang provinces, and the 3 seats are from their territory. We can say that the 43rd Parliament in Canada consists of 338 seats in the House of Commons. 154 of the seats are from the Liberal Party. Since nakakuha ang Liberal Party og 154 votes, sila ang pinakadaghan og votes. So sa ila gikan ang Prime Minister. Sunod din sa winning party is the opposition party, which is the Conservative Party, gaining 120 seats in the Parliament. So since mas gamay ilahang kuan sila ang opposition party. So aside from the opposition party and the winning party, there are parties that are official ilang status sa parliament. So these are the Bloc of Quebec and the New Democrats. The Bloc of Quebec, they gain 34 seats in the parliament or the House of Commons, and kani said si New Democrats nahagat sila og 20 seats. So aside sa ilaha, there are political parties that are not official status. Kay ngano, wano dili official ilang status kay there are this rules sa parliament na dapat na sila 12 seats nga makuha. Minimum nga 12 seats para ma-recognize sila sa parliament. So kani sila na mga political party Green og si Independent. Si Green Party of Canada gain a total of 2 ra ka seats sa House of Commons, then kanila yon si Independence na apod siya 5. So overall, including the kaning political parties that are not official ilang status, official status, si winning party, si opposition, there are 338. So the 338 seats are from the proportion of the population sa ilahang provinces o sa ilahang territory.
In conclusion, dominant parties are regarded to be competitive in the sense that a number of parties compete for power in popular and regular election, but they usually are elected and keep the power of the government. That's how Canadian political party system works. That's why they are tagged as dominant or multi-dominant party system. That's all. Thank you.